Good morning, health seekers. Inga from Health Origins here. So today, another quick video from Spain, and today I'm going to show you how to make slightly marinated cucumbers overnight from just a ordinary cucumber, or you could use the long cucumber as well. I prefer these because I just find them tastier than the long ones. But you don't get to buy them in UK, unfortunately. So yeah, so I've got a couple of short grain, what are they called? Short cucumbers, I don't know, small cucumbers. And you know, I love just the light kind of pickling effect that you can get, and you only need it a few hours or overnight. So what you're going to need, you need a couple of cucumbers, and you're also going to need the brine from your green olives. So this one is a green olive brine, so we use the olives and there's brine left, so don't throw it out. I use it for all sorts of recipes. You can add it to your paellas, to your sauces, to your soups. It's so delicious. But another use for this is what I'm going to show you today. You use it as marinade, to slightly marinate these cucumbers. So all you need to do is cut the end off, and we're gonna slice the cucumber into a smaller kind of fingers, like so. You can come closer if you just, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna then put the cucumbers into the brine like so. So we're just gonna stuff them. I mean, if you wanted to cut them into halves and so it fits more and can kind of go under, you can, but it should hopefully fit a couple of cucumbers here, because I really love and prefer this kind of taste to just a normal cucumber taste. So I might cut a couple into smaller, so we just put them inside here and put it full. Just a couple more slices. Whoop. It's getting full. I might need to eat that myself because it's getting a bit over full. And that's it. And then just put a lid on. And this goes into the fridge overnight, okay? And then in the morning, voila, you're gonna get these lightly marinated cucumbers. So I'm gonna just give a little taste test to this one. So good, guys. So this is like a very slightly browned and marinated cucumber. It's so delicious. Oh my god, super. So if you try this, let me know what you thought of it. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome and subscribe for more videos. And as always, remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in your body. Until next time.